What's the meaning of crazed? Crazed. Crazed.
Crazed. Crazed. The term crazed generally refers to a state of being mentally unstable or wild with emotion. In some contexts, it can also refer to a physical state of being cracked or covered in cracks. When someone is described as crazed, they may exhibit erratic behavior, extreme emotions, or irrational thoughts. This can manifest as anything from frenzied movements to manic outbursts. The overall impression is one of intense and unpredictable energy that is difficult to control or contain. Ultimately, when someone is crazed, they are seen as being in a state of chaos or disarray.